Okay, welcome to the next vlog. Here to do a bit of rugby now. I don't know how you play rugby, but we'll give it a bash. This is like a bloody Easter egg, this one. Yeah, it's a bit of a rugby ball type thing. It's more of like an Easter egg type thing, this. So yeah, what we're doing in this video, I don't know how you do rugby, but we'll give it a bash. So let's open the blue tumble dryer again. There we go. So let's do it. That's more like cricket, that one. I think I need to throw it in the air and let it drop, don't I? So, ooh, okay. There we go, 1-0. Shall we do it best of 10 again? Ooh. Oh, bloody hell. Two 0. I'm going with it. That's cricket again. Ooh. That's 3-0. Oh no, you didn't even score, did I? 3-0. I don't know the parts in tennis, in rugby, so. That's 4. Not quite. That's 5. It's hard to do the rugby impressions, do you know, like you pass it to players, I'm passing it to tumble dryers. So. Ooh. Do you know what? These rugby shorts, more or less, I bought these rugby shorts online and they're bloody tight. And they're only a large. 6-0. Struggling to move in. That's 7-0. This is a lot better, you know, these challenges today than the football one yesterday. Ooh. Nine. Did say best of 10, it's not that fair now to best of 10. There we go. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. It's been a snappy one again, because it's been an easier challenge. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Subscribe to my second channel down below, Laundry Extra. Yeah, links down there. So yeah, subscribe to that, I'd much appreciate it. Yeah, so that's all the sport challenges done now. But what I'm going to do next is do some more challenges, but with a washing machine. So they'll be posted tomorrow. So what we do is, obviously I'll do a few challenges. I've got 2 of each of these, so I'll do like put rugby balls in together, footballs in together on like a spin cycle, and then put them all in together. So yeah, this has been challenge weekends as well, so I really hope you like this challenge weekend. It's been good. I know I've got to do a lot of editing in these videos, so yeah, I really hope you like them. It's taken a bit of time for me to do these, so yeah, see you in the next video.